so many updates that WhatsApp has been rolling out recently, but I found some interesting ones and I'm going to show you these interesting updates that I found. Update number one, you can label your groups. If you want to label your group in case you have pinned your groups and it is on the first 2 3 chat that is pinned, you can label your group into labels. For example, I have many groups here and I want to label them. I can label them as this, then I just label it like this and put it under any label I want, and this happens in WhatsApp business alone. If I want to get back to them, it is easy for me to get back. So apart from, WhatsApp allows you to only pin 3 groups or chats into your WhatsApp chat. You can only pin, and this is what I mean. This first pinned chat here shows Olufemi Academy, and I can only pin just 2 more. So if I want to quickly get into my WhatsApp groups, I can just label them. Update number 2, font. I can change the font of my text on picture in WhatsApp. If I want to put a WhatsApp, I can, let's say I want to put a WhatsApp out, I can put a font to it. Let's say I want to roll out a picture, let me roll out this picture. I can write by typing, click on text, then I type father and son. Usually you have this, and the only thing you can do is to change the color. Sometimes you can change the color, you can increase the text, but now there's a beautiful thing you can do with it now, which is you can decide to change the font, and that makes it beautiful. So what do you do? So you click on it and click on the text here, then it gives you more beautiful font. Isn't that lovely? So it's gonna make your text look very beautiful. So I like this. So I can still change the color of some of them, but this I can't change the color. So I can change the color of this font, I can change of this font, I can change of this font, and I like this font most especially, but this I can't change its font. That is update number 2. So it makes your picture very beautiful. Update number 3, on your WhatsApp groups, if you remove people on your WhatsApp group, like yesterday I removed everybody in my WhatsApp group. If you mistakenly remove somebody and you don't know the person you removed, or you want to see the list of the people you removed, see I have one participant here, which is myself. I can go back here and see all of them. That is this where the update is. View past participants. If I click here, I can see everybody that I removed that was in my group before, and that is the update that I want to give you on the WhatsApp group. Update number 4, in your WhatsApp groups, you can give a reaction by just clicking down on the message you want to give a reaction on. If I click on the like reaction, I'm going to be seeing the like reaction. Everybody is going to be seeing the like reaction, and let's say I want to see the number of people that have reacted on a particular message. What I just need to do is to click on the reaction, and it's going to bring it out. And let's say, and I'm going to see the number of reactions I get, like I do get it on Facebook. Now if I mistakenly put a wrong reaction, let's say I want to click on love here, what I will just do is to tap on it and it's going to remove. Then I can go back and I can give this love reaction. Very simple, very easy. So I can remove my reaction by tapping to remove, and I can add another reaction by clicking this. So easy, so simple. That is update number 4. Update number 5 is voice note. I can record a voice note, like let's say I want to I can pause it and go back to any message that I want to write, and when I'm done I can go back to my message, my voice note, and I just continue from there. And I can delete my voice note, and I can decide to pause it and continue. So I can listen to it again, listen to whatever I've recorded, and just continue with my voice note, which means that there's a semi edit that I can do to my voice note. So I can record my voice note, pause it, continue, listen, pause it, continue, listen. I can also listen to my voice note by listening to my voice note. If someone sends a voice note to me, I can be listening to my voice notes this way, and when I'm listening to the voice note, I can go back and the voice note continues playing here. Very simple. That is update number 5. I hope you enjoyed all these updates and you will make very good use of it. If you like it, please comment in the comment section below and tell me the latest update you like the most. Tell me the update you've never had before, you need notice. If you've not seen all these updates in your phone, you just need to go to your app store, install a latest update. If you have subscribed to my channel before, please turn on the post notification bell. I appreciate it. See you in the next video, guys.